Hello, this is Ishmael Zadi and welcome to my Java tutorial. Today I'm going to be creating a Pythagoras calculator to find a hypotenuse. Let me go here in Photoshop. As you can see, this is the Pythagoras theorem. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. So h, which is the hypotenuse, o for opposite, a for adjacent, and in this tutorial I'm going to be making a calculator to find the hypotenuse. So this is the formula, and let me go in Java. Let me just run this quickly. So this is, if you pause and copy all this down, you should be getting all of this. Although solving A or B is not the hypotenuse, I think I won't be doing that in this tutorial, as you can just substitute the values or symbols in the action listener. Anyways, okay, let's get into some action. Let me explain what I wrote down here. So I imported everything that I needed to use. For example, in the swing library, I need to use the JFrame, the JTextField, the JLabel, the JButton, the JPanel, etc. Such a long one. And I created, I extended, the JFrame, and I implemented the action listener. I declared the JFrame, so I can set the layout to, where is it? Border layout should be here. Yep, here, border layout. And I set three JText fields, one for the first number, as you've seen in the application. It's 10 characters. Second one, same thing, 10 characters. Although in real life, you're not going to input 10 numbers, because triangles only, even in exams, they come up with two figures at max. And yeah, let me go back. And yeah, third text field, 15 characters, and JLabels, so you can know what your text fields are. And buttons, I created one for the solving the A or B, but I'm not going to do that. I created the clear button, so if we do use one of these, either of these buttons, we can clear the JText and reuse it again. Okay, so let's go back to the constructor. Okay, so we set two JPanels, one for the text fields and JLabels, and one for the buttons. And we added action listener. This is very important. If you do not add this, it would not work. Okay, so and here the JFrame properties, make sure you set it to visible, otherwise you won't see it. Set a reasonable size, and you can manage the border layout as you wish. Okay, so I created the method for the action listener and the main method. Okay, so I'm going to go here. So if we do click on, let me show you. If we do click on solve hypotenuse, if we do insert, for example, number 8 and 6, which 8 is 64, 8 times 8, 64, and 6 times 6 is 36. We add both, should be 100. Yeah, it must be. We square root it, and we should get a 10 there. So I'm going to go here. If n1, actually, we need to declare a double, because the numerical values that we're going to input may be double, maybe just decimal numbers, even the outputs. Double num1 equals double dot, we're going to convert it, parse double n1 dot get text. Alright, okay, and we copy and paste this. So basically this is going to get all the texts, all the numerical values, 2, and we change this to 2 for the second JText. And now for the result, we go double. Whoop. Okay, double. I'm gonna call it R, because I named one of my, I think I named something results of, yeah, I don't want to confuse myself. So R equals num1 times num1. In Pascal, the Pascal language, they actually have a function for it. I don't know why in Java they don't, but yeah, I'm so ungrateful and spoiled. Okay, times num2. Okay, so according to the formula, we should square the number and we add them and then we square root it. So we go r equals math dot sqrt, and what do we want to square root? The result, which is this. Yeah, okay. Now we want to set the third text field to the result. So when we add, when we set a number, for the first text field and for the second text field, you want to add them and display them. Yeah, you get the point. R, or what did I name it? Result dot set text. Set text. What do we set it to? String dot value of. So we're going to get the value, which is R. Okay, so let's run it real quick. So as the example before, I'm just going to use the same one. 8 and 6 should get us 10. Yeah, so it got us 10. What a 6. Oh, what a mistake. It should view 64 and 36. We can do this easily. Let me just exit this. We go n1 set text string dot what do we do? Value of, let's go num1 times, can't see anything, it's too dark, num1. Okay. Whoop. There's an underscore there, I can't really see it, but it's hiding under the red line. So we copy and paste this to save us some time. 2, 2, 2. Okay, so let's go, let me drag that down. 6 and 8, solve hypotenuse. So there, we want to disable that, make it more realistic. So we go n1 dot set editable false. So we cannot adjust it. N2 set editable false. Okay, so yeah. Now we want to do something with the clear button. So if we wish to clear the button, I mean clear all the values, yeah, so let's go to, where is it? Yes, if events. So we want to set these two to true, so we go n1 set editable true, and you want to do the same for 2, the text box 2, and yeah, let's go n1 set text null, n2 set text null. How easy is that? Well, rather than going on Google and find these people writing huge tons of code for just a simple thing, I find it kind of absurd. Result dot set text null. Whoop, null. I got a problem with the caps lock. Just tapping it too much. Let's run that. So let's go. Let's choose 5 and 7. Solve. Okay. Clear. Bam. That's it. So I don't want to go through the other one. You just can find the other, because in the law of Pythagoras, if you do not have a hypotenuse, well, if you do have a hypotenuse and you got one of the missing angles, length, sorry, you need to rearrange the formula, so you can be subtracting. This isn't difficult, you just need to copy and paste most of this and that. So I don't want to go beyond my time, which is 9 minutes, and yes, it's 10 minutes. yeah, I hope you understood everything in this tutorial. You can use this, all this stuff for, adding, subtracting, and a lot of stuff, trigonometry. I think I will be going through trigonometry because I absolutely love it. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you later.